Hey there, are you familiar with uninsured, underinsured motorist UM/UIM coverage? It's a critical component of auto insurance that provides financial protection for drivers in the event of an accident involving a motorist who either has no insurance or insufficient coverage to fully compensate for damages. Not all drivers carry adequate insurance, despite legal requirements in most states. In the event of an accident caused by an uninsured driver, UM coverage steps in to cover medical expenses, lost wages, and other damages that would typically be paid by the at-fault driver's insurance. Similarly, underinsured motorist coverage applies when the at-fault driver's insurance policy limits are insufficient to cover the full extent of damages. In such cases, UM/UIM coverage can bridge the gap between what the other driver's insurance covers and the actual costs incurred by the victim. UM/UIM coverage is particularly valuable in hit-and-run accidents, where the at-fault driver flees the scene or cannot be identified. Overall, uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage provides peace of mind and financial security for drivers, ensuring they are adequately protected against the financial consequences of accidents caused by uninsured or underinsured motorists. It's a crucial aspect of comprehensive auto insurance coverage that every driver should consider.